Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, making the Rob Roy. The Rob Roy was first created in 1894 by a bartender at the Waldorf Astoria in Manhattan, New York. He had created this cocktail in honor of the Rob Roy, which was an opera that just premiered in the city. The Rob Roy consists of Scotch Whisky, sweet vermouth, bitters. So don't give too much credit to this bartender here, because all he's doing is taking the Manhattan, which is a very popular drink at the time, and adding Scotch instead of the rye or the bourbon. Let's make the Rob Roy. 2 ounces of Scotch Whisky into a mixing glass. 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth into the same glass. Then 2 dashes of bitters. Add ice. Then stir. You want to stir until the glass gets frosty. About 20 seconds here. Then we have a chilled martini glass to the side. We empty out the water and the ice. And we're gonna strain up. Garnish with a cherry. Near it, the Rob Roy. Cheers. It's like a smoky Manhattan. Very similar, just a little more peaty from the Scotch. Not a bad cocktail. Go home, try for yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at The Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks, goodbye.